Art integrated activity for term 1 2021-22. This will be the heading for this activity. You'll have to start with art integrated activity term 1 2021-22. Then after that you will write the heading traditional bangles of Rajasthan and Assam. Fine. Traditional bangles of Rajasthan and Assam. All this is the written material which you need to write as it is. You don't need to add anything in here, you don't need to cut out anything from here. This is all the basic thing which is given to you. This will be provided to you in a PDF form. This first page, then comes the second page. This will be the second page. Everything is written here. You need to write each and everything beautifully on the side, on one side of the paper, and leave the other side. And this will be the third side, the third page. These are the three pages which you have to write. So where are you going to? Like I have started from here. I have written the second page here, and if I have the first page here, then I'll have the second page here, and then third page this side, and this side will be empty. Suppose you are writing on the registers. Suppose you are writing something on the register. Then on register, it's better to start from here because everything will end up in two pages itself. So one this side and other this side. Okay, because we need this page and empty page. Now what are you going to do on the empty page? You type on the Google outline of bangles. You will find many outline of the bangles. See, you will go with the images. You will find many images here. These are the outline, like this is the outline of the bangle, or you can go with this outline of the bangle. Go with this as well, the outline of the bangle. Okay, there are many outlines of the bangles. This way. These are the outlines of the bangles. Fine. These outline of the bangles. Now one bangle has to be decorated in the Assamese way, and the other bangle has to be decorated in traditional Rajasthani way. How to decorate these bangles in the Assamese and the Rajasthani? You can take two different bangles also. It's not compulsory that you take the pair of the bangle. You can take the bangles like you take if you wish to take this bangle. If you wish to take only one single bangle, like this one, if you wish to take this one, then take one bangle, take this bangle like one. So one you can make with the Rajasthani way, and the other one you can make with the Assamese way. You can take this one also, one with the Rajasthani way and the other in the Assamese way. Now these bangles, what you do is, to decorate this and make the design of this, you will do is, you type in here traditional Rajasthani bangles. You will get many pictures of the traditional Rajasthani bangles. You will get many pictures of the traditional Rajasthani bangles. Okay, so these pictures, you will have to take the printout of these pictures, the miniature pictures, the small pictures. Take the miniature pictures, make a Word folder, paste those pictures on that, and cut them and paste on the bangles. This is one of the way. Or if you wish to make the bangles, you can draw the bangles with your hand and then you can paste. It's like a collage, making of the collage. In place of Rajasthani, then you can put the Assamese also, and you will get the different pictures of Assamese bangles. Assamese traditional bangles, and then you will get different types of bangles. See, Assamese bangles are different types of bangles. These different types of bangles, again you take the pictures of this in a word you can take many. You can take 3, 4, 5 pictures, and then in the outline of the bangles you can paste those in the outline bangles. Fine. The next thing what you will do is, in the PDF you will be given these 2-dimensional figures can be derived from the bangles. So these are the 2-dimensional figures which can be derived from the bangles. You need to define this, and you have the area of circle, write the formula. Then the perimeter of the circle or the circumference of the circle, write the formula. Just the formula. We don't want any detailed descriptions. Then you have the semicircle. What is the semicircle? You will define that. And then area of semicircle, just the formula. Perimeter of semicircle, just the formula. Then sector, again you will define the sector. Then the formula for area of minor sector, major sector. And the last thing, you have the segment. You will define segment and the area of segment. This is what you have to do in this activity. The bangles which you are going to make, either you make it yourself. Second, you can take the outline from the internet, from the Google. You can decorate through those printed ones, or you make it yourself. That is your own wish. You can take the miniature pictures out of it, these miniature pictures from the Googles, and paste those miniature pictures on the bangles, so that one bangle look like a traditional Rajasthani one and the other bangle look like a traditional Assamese one. This is what you have to do in the art integrated activity. That's all in the video.